Hey guys, it's Nightingale. Welcome back to my fabulous kitchen. So today we'll be making chocolate brownies. Well, again today I'm making it from a packet. I'm a student, okay, so please don't judge. I will be making some things from scratch later on, but that's because I'm only here today, so I'm doing everything with packet mixes instead of going out buying fresh ingredients, coming back and then doing it that way. Yeah, it's just easier. So what you'll be needing for this recipe is a baking tray, a tub or mixing bowl, a spoon or wooden spoon. I prefer using a metal spoon than wooden sometimes, so just depends on the recipe really. You'll also be needing a packet mix of brownies. I will be doing another one in the future where it's completely from scratch. So if you're using a packet mix, then please use this video. If not, then please use the other one. And you'll also be needing some eggs. So the first thing you'll need to do is, well, firstly you need to put your hair up if you've got long hair and wash your hands, which I've already done. And then you need to preheat the oven. I put it on setting full and maximum heat. But I then tone it down to the heat that I need. So yeah. Next thing you'll need to do, open up the packet and empty out the contents. I'm pretty sure you'll also be needing water because some people prefer this mixture to be, not powdery. I mean, if you like yours powdery, then it will probably be very similar to a milkshake or hot chocolate. Well, more like chocolate milk if you ask me. I mean, this recipe is vegetarian. It is not gluten-free at the moment, but I will be doing gluten-free brownies as well. So there's that. Just making sure I've got everything out. Yeah, you just need the one egg for this recipe. And you need water. It says vegetable oil as well, but I don't like adding in oil to stuff, so I'd rather not, And then what you need to do now, I'm using the white egg because why not? You need to crack open the egg carefully. A tip that I always have, either do it on the edge of a tub or on the edge of a side. There we go. Edge of side works better always. But tap at it gently. Be careful not to get eggshell with this. All nice. All nicey nice, Yeah, sadly this recipe is not vegetarian. Well, it is vegetarian, it's not vegan. It's vegetarian. Oh my god, I can't believe I made that mistake. It's vegetarian, not vegan, because they use eggs. Well, let's put it this way. If it wasn't vegetarian, I wouldn't be eating it. Yeah, one egg. Then you need cold water if you can't quite stir it. And as you can see, I have not got any eggshell into this, so just so proud of myself for doing that. Then just give it a quick mix. Mix. Yeah, as you can see, it's kind of a bit powdery. I am trying not to get this mixture down me. Just adding in some water. I keep on doing this during the film, like, of doing this recipe, or any recipes, I'm always meaning to do it, and then I press record and then I'm like, and I forgot the water. So well done. Well done for doing that, Storm. Just well done. Well done, big clap. Just keep on mixing it, stirring it. As you can see, it's binding nicely together. Just add in water a little at a time. You don't need to add in like a load in. You don't want it to be sweet. Yeah, I went there. I mean, if you want it to be all runny, or if you want it to be kind of like chocolate milk, then do whatever. If you don't want it to be vegetarian, then add in whatever non-vegetarian stuff there is, like lards and that. I wouldn't advise it, but if you want to make this vegan, then use mainly Alpro. Actually, is always better. I quite like Alpro brands of stuff. Yeah. Use soy milk instead. Use soy chocolate, and a lot of it. I've actually found out that some cocoa powder is like, depending on the content of it, it's like some of it is better for you than others. Like, I always find that ones with cocoa solids in tend to be a lot better. Better tasting, better quality. This is the consistency that you actually want to have. That's runny, but not too runny. So it's got a bit of firmness to it. And it's all good. That just looks wrong. I need to stop doing that. Oops. Now, once you're done mixing and binding the mixture together, you put it on a tray. And then you put it in the oven. Now, I probably haven't done enough for the width of this, but oh well. I do have another one, but it's too shallow. Some people have been asking me why I've started YouTube. I actually started it on a different channel back in like 2015. It was a time like that anyway. When I was back in high school. Yeah, that just did not end well. I actually got, like, looking back on my old channel, it got more views than I'm getting now. So probably done something better back then that I'm not quite doing now. But then again, the regulations and rules of YouTube have changed since. So, yeah. I mean, I'm still uploading daily, I don't mind. But it's just like, at the end of the day, it's still my career. Like, it's only advertisement, so I mean, it would be great if I got more views on my videos and that, but like at the end of the day, this is like my logbook of like what I'm doing during this time, so that I can show companies and places that do theatre or record labels or anything like that, that I'm not doing nothing during this time. I'm still doing something creative, and yeah, still doing my training. So yeah. Anyway, that's what the mixture should look like when it's in the pan. How cool does this look? And then you just put it in the oven. On this particular recipe, it says that it's 180 degrees again. To be honest, you would find that most recipes stay at 180 to 190. So please make sure that it's on that setting. So yeah, that's now done. Time to put it in the oven. Ow, just got myself. Here's a tip, use oven gloves. I don't, if the pan is cold, then I personally don't. But yeah, that's about it really. And it says to put this in for 20 minutes. Awesome. So this is the part 1, so I'm going to do the part 2 as well. So see you in the next video. I will continue this. Laters.